Introduction to Deep Learning, History of AI and Machine Learning. Welcome, students. Today, we're beginning our exciting journey into the fascinating world of deep learning, a branch of machine learning inspired by the function of our brains. The ideas behind deep learning aren't new at all. The concept of an artificial neural network was introduced as early as 1943 by Warren McCulloch and Walter Pitts. Fast forward to the late 1950s, Frank Rosenblatt introduced a simple form of a neural network called the perceptron, marking the beginning of machine learning algorithms. In 1967, the nearest neighbor algorithm was written, which marked the start of rudimentary pattern recognition. The term machine learning was first used by Arthur Samuel in 1959 when he was at IBM, setting the stage for the future growth of this field. Despite early progress, an influential book by Marvin Minsky and Seymour Papert in 1969 criticized the limitations of perceptrons, triggering a decline in neural network research. However, in the 1980s, through the introduction of Hopfield networks and backpropagation by John Hopfield and David Rumelhart, neural networks saw a resurgence. The term deep learning was first introduced to the machine learning community by Rena Dechter in 1986. In 1992, convolutional neural networks, pivotal to many modern AI systems, were introduced by Yann LeCun. By 1995, key foundations for support vector machines were developed by Corinna Cortez and Vladimir Vapnik at Bell Labs. The inception of long short-term memory, LSTM, by Sepp Hochreiter and Jürgen Schmidhuber in 1997 kick-started advancements in remembering sequences for long durations in deep learning. Machine learning gained significant recognition with the Netflix Prize competition in 2006, which used machine learning to improve the company's recommendation system. In 2006, the term deep learning was redefined by Geoffrey Hinton to explain new architectures of multi-layer neural networks. In 2010, with the commencement of a free online machine learning course by Stanford University, the field became far more accessible to the masses and experienced huge interest. The use of GPUs for training in the 2010s made it more practical to implement deep learning across many applications. Significant milestones, such as Google's AI Learning to Play and Excel in video games in 2012, AlphaGo's 2016 success against the world champion Go player, and the development of a dermatologist-level AI by Stanford researchers in 2017, showcase the accelerated progress of deep learning. In recent years, transformer-based models and self-attention mechanisms have revolutionized natural language processing. Models such as GPT-2, developed by OpenAI in 2019, demonstrated the astonishing capabilities of these networks. Today, deep learning has revolutionized industries like healthcare, retail, and transportation, and is supporting innovations in areas such as self-driving cars, virtual assistants, and predictive modeling. During the global COVID-19 pandemic, deep learning and AI played significant roles, helping track the spread of the disease and develop new treatments. Despite its successful record, the black box nature of deep learning models has generated a growing movement towards explainable AI. In conclusion, we've journeyed through the robust and fascinating history of deep learning. Its evolution is testament to the rapid development and pervasive influence of this field. Next time, we'll delve deeper into the concept of artificial neural networks and understand their design and operation. Keep researching, keep learning,